Now let us look at what auditors do. Understanding auditors' responsibility. Wetin auditor they do sef. That's what we want to look at. Gbenga Olatunji says my name. Welcoming you to GJAMES Associate channel. We want to look at understanding auditors' responsibilities. Understanding auditors' responsibilities. Most critical look at auditors' responsibility suggests that opinion on the financial statements is fundamental and primary responsibility. So, opinion on whether the financial statements as they are presented to us in all material conforms with the general acceptable or accepted accounting principles and standard is primary on the table as responsibility of an auditor. Also, auditor must plan to execute. Planning starts from the day that we hear about the audit offer, not even acceptance to execution, to report writing, even to opinion and expression of opinion, and to the conclusion and closure of the assignment. Is the responsibility of the auditors to plan. Please don't forget when you are writing an audit exams, just like the prompting or for all these videos now comes from the fact that only I think 202 made it in the last diet on audit and assurance, and that's why we are taking it upon ourselves to answer some critical questions in audit. And the audit playlist, you can go there and consume it all. Please consume it all, but don't forget to subscribe to GJAMES Associate channel. I think that's what you can do for us to encourage us. Consume it all, and we guarantee your sources because all the videos, all the explanations, they are based on the syllabus. So planning belongs to auditor on how he or she or the firm of chartered accountants will execute the assignments. Also, another responsibility is to consider the internal control and to relate with the internal auditors and the like before they even commence the execution of the assignment on the field. What is the internal auditor bringing to the table, and how strong is the internal control? What's of the internal control environment? What is the body language of the management? Are there management override and the like? Who are the management team? What is their exposure, their integrity like? What was their background like? And many more. Also, is the responsibility of the auditor to evaluate accounting policies and significant estimates, and this is why we do collect in advance ahead of the field work, the trial balance, and some other important ledgers from the general ledger. So we need to evaluate the accounting policies so that we will know how to conduct the field work. Also, we need to issue out management letter to the management and the board of directors of the organization. This is very important. It's an internal document, but it's important to the contribution of the organization from the accounting firm. So in the letter we show material weaknesses observed, also the significant deficiencies that needs urgent attention, and the best practices that the auditors can prefer solution should be recommended. Best practices concerning governance, concerning administration, concerning policy, concerning management, concerning human resources management, concerning every aspect of the organization that has been looked into. As much as possible, the letter of weakness or management control letter should be written to support the work that we have done. From GJAMES Associate Channel, we shall be looking at more in details other responsibilities of the auditors and what the auditors actually usually do. Don't forget to share, subscribe to GJAMES Associate Channel, click the notification, click all so that when we upload, you'll be the first to be notified, and comment, propose topics that you think you will need in the course of your career as chartered accountant or even entrepreneur. From GJAMES Associate Channel, Gbenga Olatunji speaking. We are value to life. We are value to your business.